Welcome to Skin Vitality Medical Clinic in Ajax, Ontario, located at 15 Westney Road North. We are proudly the top provider of cool sculpting, Juvederm, lip fillers, PRP, and Botox in Ajax and all of Canada. Relax in our peaceful waiting room before your treatment with luxury products to browse and shop from. Shop clinically proven products from Vivier Skin and Viviscal Pro. Come in for a free consultation and assessment before your treatment to ensure the most personalized procedure for you. Enjoy state-of-the-art treatments such as cool sculpting for a fat-freezing treatment just in time for summer. Here you can enjoy our spacious treatment room with a TV and other amenities to help you relax. We offer a range of laser treatments from laser hair removal to Venus freeze and legacy treatments to leave you feeling refreshed and renewed. Unwind in one of our many injection rooms and enjoy a range of rejuvenating treatments such as Beauty Boost or PRP facial or one of our luxurious injectables. Try Botox or Dysport to smooth wrinkles and fine lines or to treat medical conditions such as migraines and hyperhidrosis. Try Dermal Filler to address wrinkles, facial contours, and enhance the size and shape of your facial features. Or Belkyra injections to get rid of a double chin for good. Visit Skin Vitality Medical Clinic in Ajax to look and feel your best. DM us for your free consultation and assessment now.